Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to talk about decorators again. So in the previous lecture we have talked about decorators, but after getting some feedback from my local students, I have noticed that previous lecture was little bit confusing for beginners. So I thought I should record a new lecture regarding decorators. So in this lecture I'll try my best to explain decorators in simple and easy way. So let me comment this whole part. And again, let me tell you, decorators are used to add functionality to the existing functions. So let's create here a simple function, and this function is going to print a message. So just write here def message, and I'm not going to pass any kind of argument. I'm not going to return any kind of value. I'll simply print a message. Print hello world. Okay, it's a very simple message. And now obviously if I call this message function, you will see hello world on the screen. Let's save it, let's run it, and we got hello world. And now my task is to print another message on the terminal using decorators. So for this purpose, I just need to create a decorator that will add another print statement to this print function. So just write here another function, and I'll name it message underscore 2, and this function is going to accept this message function. So just write here funct. Okay, and then inside this function we need to define another function. So I'll define here def, and I'll say adder. So this function is going to add another message to our message function, and then just put colon, and here I'm going to call this funct function, and then beneath this funct function I'll say print I am decorator. Okay, so I'm decorator, and then outside this header function but inside the enclosing function I'll say return adder. Okay, it's very simple. Now this is our main function, and this message too is acting as a decorator. And just remove this message, and here I'll say message message 2, and I just need to pass the message function as an argument, and I'm going to accept this header function inside this msgs variable, and now I'm going to call this msgs function. So msgs, let's save it and let's run it, and we got hello world and I'm decorator. So now I hope that you have understood the decorator. So I'm adding this new print function to the previously existing function. Let me tell you that there is another way of decorating a function. So currently this is our decorator, and this is the function which we are decorating. So just cut this function, cut it, and paste this function after the decorator function. Okay, and just remove them, and here you just need to put this at the red sign, and you need to call your decorator function, which is message underscore 2. So just type here message underscore 2, and now the Python will understand that okay, this message underscore 2 is my decorator function, and I need to decorate this function. And now if I call this function message, you will see the same result. Okay, let's run it, and now we got our hello world. Now I think this format is more like decorator. So it is very clear to user now that we are actually decorating this message function with this message underscore 2 function. So generally you will see this format of decorators, and I hope that you have understood this concept as well, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.